In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix chat feature from your website in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to declutter your site or simply wish for a cleaner interface, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your site, from design to analytics. It's essential to be in the right dashboard to make sure any changes you make will apply to the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites. Now, let's move on to the next step by clicking on the Design Site button. This will direct you to the area where all of the visual aspects of your website can be accessed and modified. Imagine this as your digital studio where you bring your website visions to life. Next, head over to the Wix Website Editor. This tool is the heart of your design process, giving you the power to customize and tweak your site to perfection. Now, your task is to locate the Wix Chat widget. This widget is typically stationed at the bottom corner of your site, sometimes on the right, other times on the left side. It's important to familiarize yourself with where the chat box resides, as this is what you'll be addressing. Upon locating the chat widget, go ahead and click to select it. You'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's now subject to changes. Selecting it is just like tapping someone on the shoulder to let them know you're about to make an adjustment. With the widget selected, it's time for the simplest action of all. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the chat widget from the site editor, but remember, this change isn't live yet. It's simply in a draft state. Thus, you'll need to finalize this alteration. Conclude the process by clicking the Publish button. This is a crucial step. It ensures that the changes you made in the editor are reflected on the live version of your site. The Publish action is like sealing an envelope before sending it. It confirms that your site is now updated for all visitors to experience. That's it! You've successfully removed Wix Chat from your website. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow, and that your website looks just the way you envisioned it. Feel free to revisit your site's dashboard and editor if you decide to make additional changes or want to explore other features. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!